Alaw Tao Apu Sandawa Tribal Festival Barangay Sayaban, Kidapawan. This tribal festival highlights the rich cultural heritage of the people through ethnic songs and tribal sports. The event is held every April 7 to April 8. Flortam Hot Spring, Mikilala. This legendary spring is usually called the Fountain of Youth due the healing and rejuvenating power supposedly passes by its hot water. Halad sa Santo Niño, Midsayap. This is an annual fiesta celebration in the municipality of Midsayap held in honor of their patron Saint Senior Santo Niño. The event is highlighted by street dancing, parades, and contests. So, same rin siya sa tuay, si fiesta like kaalim yun, nag-celebrate sa mga dancing or street dance. And Kalibungan Festival. Kalibungan is a Manobot term for Grand Festival and celebrated yearly in the province of Cotabato. The Manobos Bagubos and their highland tribes from different parts of the province and nearby areas go down to municipality Kidapawan take in the festival. Kalibugan held in every August 14. Mabu River, several waterfalls, unexplored first growth forests, and flora can be found in the area. New Israel. This mountain village is a home of a religious sect called the Munkadistas. It is situated along the Perhever Mount Apo National Park at elevation of 1,600 feet above sea level, located at Kidapawan City. Pakat Kalo Festival. This annual fest in indigenous tribes in the municipality of Magpit is held as a thanksgiving for bountiful harvest during the Holy Week. Picket form, picket. This is an old Spanish word that played significant role in maintaining a colony of Christmas when Mindanao was dominated by Muslims and the Lumads. University of Southern Mindanao, Cabacan. The campus is set on meter-wide. Verdant fix is an open and player can be found within this ground. Linguasan Marsh. This is one of the largest wetland in the Philippines. It is home numerous birds and other wildlife. Midpandan Falls located at Palimbang. Those waterfalls are set amidst lush greenery and form a pool ideal for swimming.